What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we are going stage 2 on my Honda Civic Type R. So we got every car parts for the stage 2 behind me, all the modifications that are going to be installed, and let's briefly talk about one by one and then bring it to the shop and get it installed. So first of all, we have the HKS Downpipe from RV6 here. I think they are discontinued, but I found it on a Facebook group and then bought it from the seller, and I had to send it back to RV6 and coat it black. And also we have the Honda to match the HKS Downpipe so that don't get a check engine light. And right here, like I think I introduced it in the last video, is the APR canard. It's the aero part, and also right here we have the Koyo Radiator to improve the cooling of the car. And here's the HKS Intercooler piping, and here's the HKS Intercooler, I believe. And here we are having HKS oil cooler, and here obviously is the oil for engine oil for the car. And at the bottom of the boxes is the headlight, new headlight for the car. I'm going to show you guys when I open it. And also we have the Racebred front splitter here, and I also have the kit, the quick release kit for it. Yeah, so here are all the parts for it. Oh, that's a lot, and we are going to bring it to the shop and get it installed today and show you guys what it looked like after the installation. Yeah, let's go! Okay, so here's the everything. Yeah, that's a lot. Let's get everything to the car and then bring it to the shop. Yeah, let's go! Alright, so we have the car dropped off at Pro Spec Auto Sport, and we are ready to head back home and see the Type R maybe tomorrow. Alright, so we got the car back from Pro Spec, and then the car is a lot louder. We will talk more about it when we get home. Alright, so we finally got the car back from Prospect Autosport and the car looks so clean right now. Look at that. Yeah, I cannot believe it. Yeah, still a few things left. First thing is we have to tune the car so we don't get the check engine light from the downpipe, and also we have to go onto the dyno and see how much power it make after the stage 2. So stay tuned for that, and also maybe a few other things like the hood and the wings. I still haven't decided yet, so stay tuned for that as well. And yeah, let's talk about what I have installed on the car so far for the stage 2. Alright, so for the stage 2, most of the mod is about cooling. So we have the HKS Intercooler here and also HKS intercooler piping. And here we have the HKS oil cooler, but we got a sensor for adaptive cruise control blocking the wind tunnel. But we modified the wind tunnel to fit it so we don't get any light from the adaptive cruise control. And also we take off the cover here so we don't get the light, because when I put it back the ACC light on, so I have to leave like this so we don't get any light. So this might affect the performance of the car. I don't know if it's still functional like this, but leave that for now. We might take off the sensor when we go into the track maybe. And also we have a new set of headlight right here. I think it looks really good. Let's show you guys what it looks like. Wow, that's really cool. That's amazing. And also we have APR canard. They are all carbon fiber. And also the front splitter from Racebred. They are chassis mounted and 3-inch. I also have the quick release kit from them, so I don't really like the supporting rod for other non-chassis mounted splitter, so I chose the Racebred. They are chassis mounted, so we don't have to have the supporting rod like the other splitter. I have one from APR. I also had the supporting rod on them. I don't really like the look for it. Biggest change for this car is the exhaust. I think it sounds amazing right now. We also have the tinted tail light. Yeah, let's give you guys some sound for the car for now. It sounds really amazing. So other than that, the interior stayed the same as the stage 1. I didn't make any changes. Let's pop the hood. Alright, so under the hood we almost have the same thing. So we still have the adventure intake and also the inlet pipe. I have the sticker on, so it now looks really cool. And I also want to mention that we have a Koyo Radiator under this, improve the cooling for the car. And also under there we have the HKS Downpipe from RV6, so the car now sounds really good and also produce more power. We can have even more power after tuning the car, so stay tuned for that. So this is probably it for the stage 2, and for the future plan I'm planning to change the hood and also the wing. So leave a comment below what you guys think I should go for. I'm thinking virus, whatever that pronounced is. And for the wing, I still haven't decided yet. So yeah, leave your comment below. Alright, so this is going to be today's video. Hope you guys liked today's video. So the stage 2 for my Civic Type R limited edition is finally completed. Not yet completed, we still have to tune the car. That will be on the next video, so stay tuned for that. And also, if you guys still haven't followed my Instagram, please go follow. There will be a lot more content, so you guys can follow up the build for the car. Yeah, and thank you guys for watching, and see you guys next time.